Okay, we have here our ingredients for our margarita cookie. We have 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of fine sugar. We have 1 lime that's going to be finely grated. We have 1 egg yolk that is beaten lightly. We have 1 tablespoon of orange extract, and we have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, and we have a pinch of salt. We also have 1/4 cups of the confectioner's sugar and 2 tablespoons of white tequila.
Here are our utensils that will be needed in order to make the cookies. We have our measuring devices here, our cookie sheet laid down here, and then also we have our grater, which will be used to grate the lime, our parchment paper, which we will put on each cookie sheet and line it before we put it in the oven, and our mixing utensils, a wooden spoon and spatulas, and lastly our mixing bowl, which will mix all the ingredients. Okay, the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 375. You need to line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper, which is shown here. The estimated prep time is about 10 minutes, and then the estimated cook time is about 15 minutes. Okay, so first you're going to put the butter in your mixing bowl, and then add the sugar and the lime zest. Then you'll start mixing this with your wooden spoon until it's mixed together. After that, you'll then add the beaten egg and the orange extract. And we'll show you the finished product once we're finished mixing. So now we're going to sift together the flour into our mix. And you're just going to add a little bit and mix it until all the flour is completely gone. Okay, now we need to place the dough on the cookie sheet. And to do this, we need to take a tablespoon and take the dough, roll it into a ball, place it on the cookie sheet, and flatten it a little bit. Make sure they're evenly dispersed along the pan. Okay, once you put them on the cookie sheet, they should look something like this. You put them in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 or 15 minutes until they're golden brown.
So now while your cookies are baking, you can start getting the frosting ready. All you have to do is put the confectioner sugar into 1 bowl, and you add the 2 tablespoons of white tequila. And you stir until it's to a thick cream.
After allowing the cookies to cool for 5 to 10 minutes, you now can apply the frosting. And you just spoon it and spread it. Here's the final product of our famous margarita cookies by Creamy Creations.